You think selling is about being liked. A friendly smile. A firm handshake. That is the lie that keeps you poor. That is the philosophy of the servant, not the ruler. The market doesn't reward effort. It rewards authority. And authority is not given. It is taken. Here are the secrets 99% of people will never understand. 1. Never sell what you do not believe in. Power cannot flow through a divided mind. If you doubt your product, your own nervous system will betray you. Your tone, your posture, your timing. It will scream liar. If you do not believe, leave. Find a product you would defend without hesitation. 2. People do not buy with logic. They buy with emotion and justify with logic later. No one buys a luxury car for transport. They buy status. They buy an escape from feeling insignificant. Stop selling the features. Sell the feeling. Sell freedom from their deepest fear. 3. Stop persuading. Persuasion is the sweaty, desperate effort of the powerless. The powerful do not persuade. They control the frame. You are not there to be liked. You are there to diagnose a problem. You are the expert, the authority. They must qualify themselves to you, not the other way around. 4. Rejection is not failure. Rejection is simply a misalignment of power or timing. It is information. The elite seller does not seek universal acceptance. They seek the right fit. Discard the rest without emotion. Indifference is a form of leverage. 5. The product is merely the vehicle. The destination is psychological freedom. Ask the questions that force the buyer to confront the pain they've been avoiding. Your questions are weapons. Use them to dismantle their comfortable lies. This is the mindset of the architect, the kingmaker. You do not chase opportunities. You create them. You do not sell products. You sell a new reality. And in that reality, you hold all the power.